Welcome to our exciting journey today into creating your own IPTV service. First, let's discuss what IPTV actually means and its growing relevance. Understanding the technology behind IPTV is crucial for a successful venture. Next, identify your target audience and the niche content you want to provide. Choosing reliable streaming software is a pivotal step in this process. After selecting software, you need to establish a channel lineup for your users. It's essential to secure rights for streaming popular channels to attract viewers. Let's talk about the required hardware to provide smooth streaming services. Setting up your server correctly is crucial for managing traffic and load. You will also need a strong website for your IPTV service to attract viewers. Engaging marketing strategies can significantly increase your service's visibility. Utilizing social media effectively can help you reach a larger audience quickly. Engage your audience with regular updates and communicate effectively to retain them. Remember to keep your service compliant with legal requirements regarding content. To sum up, starting your own IPTV service is achievable with the right steps. Before you go, we must mention our amazing sponsor, w.2tv.store. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech insights and start your IPTV journey today.